Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Joe Daviess County in northwest Illinois, Stevenson County in northwest Illinois until 3 p.m. At 2:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Lena and moving northeast at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Cedarville, Winslow, Damascus, Scioto Mills, Red Oak, MC Connell, Buena Vista, Warren, Beneco, Afohi, and Rock Grove. Protection moved to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.